Morning guys, it's Darren at Green Pro Clean Ltd, window cleaning in Nottingham and Derbyshire. Today we're out here in the Derbyshire Dales, one of the listed buildings that I look after. It's a balmy -4 degrees, so hence I've got my thermal gloves on today, and it's a quite chilly morning. But today I want to talk about cleaning wooden sash windows. You get the conversation of cleaning wooden windows come up quite often, and what I want to start by saying is that these were painted towards the back end of the autumn last year, so they're in very good order. Sometimes you'll turn up to a job, and if the paint is peeling and flaking and so on and so forth, you're fighting an uphill battle from the start. You need to point that out to the customer, going, listen, you can only do so much, but you can't polish a turd, as they say. So at the end of the day, these are in perfectly good order. Georgian windows, what I mean by Georgian is these individual panes here like this, with the cross members through the middle, and so because of that there's a lot more places for the dirt to get stuck. So the dirt will sit on these here and then come down afterwards. So how I do it is pretty much same as any other job really. I start with my framework at the top. Because they're recently painted, my stiff seal brush here will happily get any crud off of the paintwork because it's good paint, it's in good order. And as long as we keep cleaning it properly, it will remain in good order. And then once I've got the framework done along the top, I get onto the panes, treat each one individually, give that a good scrub and a scrub over. And once I've had a good scrub over each one, I'll give them a rinse. But as I rinse them, the part I need to pay attention to is not so much the glass itself, it's the cross members. So up here, we need to get that rinse. I'm going to step further back. I wouldn't normally be this far back from it, but I'm going to rinse off along those cross members like so, just to make sure that I'm dislodging any dirt, any debris that continues to come down. Then when I get to the next row down, the second row down, same thing again. But as I'm cleaning it up, the brush I'm making sure is taking any dirt off the bottom side of that cross member there, so that the dirt continues to move down. And so we take out the whole pane in one. Once again, this is very slow because I'm talking to you guys and demonstrating. This is not the speed at which I normally clean this pane. And then I give it a good rinse, making sure that it's hitting the woodwork just on the bottom side there to keep any dirt moving down. Then we move down to the bottom section, and we'll basically repeat on the bottom as we've done on the top. With sash windows, get a lot of dirt build up in the tracks on the side here, and the tracks over here. So I get the brush on the side. If you're working higher up, this is where a swivel head comes in handy because it will just tilt over and help slot in there. But just get into those tracks and that'll give it a good nice finishing touch. Happy days. And then we'll take off our seals as usual. And there we have it. And that, I'm just going to do these quickly as I'm here. And this is how I clean a wooden sash window. But if it's in good order, you'll have no problems. If it's flaking, if the paint's peeling, you'll need to talk to the customer, manage their expectations. You are going to have a bit of debris, you are going to get a few spots, but as they say, as I said before, you can't polish it down. Anyway, hope you found this demonstration helpful. Thank you for watching, and any comments, drop them in the box below.